The S&P 500 is one of the most important stock market indexes in the world. It tracks 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the U.S. across multiple industries. Unlike the Dow-30, the S&P 500 is market cap-weighted, meaning companies with higher market value have more influence on the index. It's considered a key indicator of the overall stock market's health. Now, let's talk about the Dow-30, officially known as the Dow Jones Industrial Average (DJIA). Unlike the S&P 500, the Dow only tracks 30 major U.S. companies and is price-weighted, meaning stocks with higher share prices have a greater impact on the index. It includes well-established businesses across industries like technology, finance, healthcare, and consumer goods. While the S&P 500 gives a broader picture of the market, the Dow-30 focuses on big, influential companies that drive the economy. Now, here are the top 10 companies in the Dow-30. 1. Apple AAPL, a global tech giant known for the iPhone, Mac, and Apple services. 2. Microsoft MSFT, a leader in software, cloud computing, and AI innovation. 3. Amazon AMZN, a dominant force in e-commerce, cloud computing, and logistics. 4. NVIDIA, a major player in AI, gaming graphics, and semiconductor chips. 5. United Health Group UNH, a top health insurance provider in the U.S. 6. Morgan Chase JPM, the largest U.S. bank, driving global finance and investments. 7. Visa, a financial services giant leading in digital payments. 8. The Home Depot HD, the largest home improvement retailer in the U.S. 9. Johnson & Johnson J&J, a healthcare powerhouse in pharmaceuticals and medical devices. 10. The Walt Disney Company DIS, a global leader in entertainment, streaming, and theme parks. These companies represent some of the biggest names in the economy, and their movements can impact the entire stock market. That's a quick breakdown of the S&P 500, the Dow-30, and the top 10 companies in the Dow. Understanding these indexes can help you follow market trends and make informed financial decisions. Want to dive deeper? Let me know in the comments.